Welcome again, folks, to our coverage of the World Championships in Tokyo, Japan. Return to Tokyo, and that's the coach of TVJ, Gale. So he's already got a silver medal under his belt, but he's also the coach of Ricketts, and that's where we will go now. Bruce, two ladies in the triple jump. I've got a medal here, by the way, in my little tent, so I have a feeling. So what are your thoughts?
You know, once your training partner gets a medal, you know you have to get a medal. So TVJ Gale did it under coach Lee Ricketts. Let's see how his wife delivers tomorrow. She has been there and done that at the highest level, both at the World Champs and the Olympics. She has earned medals, so I believe she can do it, but she has to get way up past maybe 1460, 1470. Yesterday, people had asked me what do you need in the long jump, and I said 830 or higher. That turned out to be almost right on the money. The medals were at 39, 34, and 33. We have some really strong competitors from Cuba who are doing really well. It's very possible. It's not going to be easy, but I guess nothing at the World Champs is easy.
Yep. And Rojas is back.
And Rojas is back. Shanika will have to show her class. She always finds a way to rise up in these world finals and Olympic finals. And there are 4 ladies in the field who have personal best over 15 meters, and she's one of them. So she has the caliber, she has the class, and it's just about stepping up. So she will have to really go for it.
Akeelia Smith?
Akeelia, she thinks the long jump is her better event. I think she has great potential in this one. 14:54, her personal best. Looking for her to exceed that and possibly, you know, get herself in the top 8.
Yep. Coach, tell me where I'm going with this, though.
Yeah, the Cubans are very strong, and even Rojas, who's not Cuban, is coached by a Cuban. So I mean, Shanika is surrounded by a lot of greatness there. And she has to go there and claim it. You just need one jump, get very good on the board, hop, step, and jump. She's explosive. She seems to have no problems whatsoever. And so we're expecting that she can put it together. I like the format that they have now where the best athletes jump first. It doesn't seem to be rattling anybody. Athletes are still able to go out there and deliver some very strong performances to open the competition. And I think the energy will be such that she'll be able to do that. And once you set that tone, it's going to be difficult for them.
Yeah, we've been focusing on Ricketts. How well might Akeelia Smith do?
Again, Daniel mentioned her PB at 14:54, but she has not been in that form this season. And if you're not way up over, she'll have to break her PB to challenge the medals.
Yeah, I was going to say we're going to change lanes, but we're not on the track at all. So we stay in the field. High jump? Lamara Distin?
Yeah, Distin, it's going to be interesting for her. I mean, she was 4th at the Olympics, barely missing out by a medal. And wasn't it 4th? Where was she?
She was 5th in Budapest.
5th, in Budapest, right.
The World Champs.
I think she jumped the same height as some of the other ladies who...
And the count back matters.
The count back.
Yeah.
So having a clean sheet is important. Clearing the bar in your first attempt, not making any unforced errors, so to speak, and set yourself up for a medal when the conversation is, you know, it's being sorted out at the higher heights.
Let's hear from her now.